open.
Hello and welcome to this video. You have probably recognized that I'm currently not at home but on vacation. So we are here in the beautiful south of Bavaria, very close to the Staffelsee. Very nice area and very relaxing. I've taken with me this best padlock that I received from Joshua quite a while ago. It's a 6-pin SFIC, small format interchangeable core. And I practice on this lock to reliably pick it to the operating and the control shear line. So this lock works in the following way. You have two keys for it. One is the operating key, and you just use it like on any other normal locks. You can just open the lock. That's the operating key. And there is another key with a different bidding, which is called the control key. And with the help of this key, and it's a bit sticky, you can remove the cylinder. So there is a little piece here that stops the core from coming out because of this this part here in the lock. I hope you can see that. And the lock, the core has two shear lines. Currently the control key is inserted, so it's so the control shear line is cleared. That's this shear line here, this area. Let me zoom in a little bit. Away with that. So currently this shear line is cleared, and that's why you can use the control key to remove the core. It's really sticky here. Yeah. And with the control key, the other shear line is cleared, and this can be used to just turn the plug. Alright, so when you look at the two biddings of the operating and the control shear line, bidding is different, just different, but fortunately it has one remarkable difference at pin 6, so this is pin 6, because they count from the tip to the bow. It's a tip stop key. When you insert the key stops because the tip of the key stops here at the end. That's the reason why the key is not cannot be inserted more. It's not like usually that this part of the key stops the key, but it's the end. So that's the reason why they count it from the tip to the bow. So we have 1, 2, 3 and so on, and this is 6. So the remarkable difference is at pin number 6, and it's the first binder, fortunately. And when I want to pick it to the operating shear line, I have to push it very deeply inside because of the bidding, and then the rest of the pins somehow follow the operating shear line. And when I push it just a little bit, then the rest follow the control shear line. So let me reassemble the lock, and then I will try to demonstrate this to you. So here's the lock reassembled, and first I'm going to pick it to the operating shear line. Lock is closed and all the pins are free. I apply tension from the pin side and use this thin Peterson jam and work from the end of this keyway. So to the operating shear line, I have to pick pin 1 very deep, and then it's just me struggling with standard pins. So pin 1 is set. Yeah, only standard pins in this lock. No security pins. Okay, felt a little turn on the core. It's always a good sign. Means we're close. And it's open. Pick to the operating shear line. So now I want to pick it to the control shear line. And for the control shear line I have to pick pin 6 only just a little bit. So let's see. Feels like I've overset something. So reset. And picked to the control shear line. Alright, yeah, fun pick, very interesting locks, these small format interchangeable core locks. Yeah, if you find a binding pin that you can pick to the control or to the operating shear line, you might be lucky and the other pins just follow that shear line and you get it picked to the control or to the operating shear line. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this little vacation video. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, happy picking, and bye bye!